For focused versus unfocused, I did want to elaborate a little bit more just because I thought it was really interesting that there haven't actually been any formal studies on comparing these two types of corrective feedback to see which one is more effective in the short term or long term. Just kind of speculation by Ellis is that for focused, because specific errors are addressed, it allows students to have more practice of those errors, so it might have better retention just because they're practicing that same type of error over and over. For unfocused, this is where all errors are addressed, or there's like a multitude of types of errors that are addressed, and it is thought to be more difficult for students since they're kind of jumping from subject to subject. But again, because there's no studies, Ellis also thought that maybe this could also be good for long term since they are looking at many different types of errors.